Setting up Level 2 charging at home is the optimal way to charge your BMW fully electric or hybrid vehicle. BMW has partnered with Qmerit to offer a seamless home installation experience for everyone's needs, whether it's a wall box or a 240-volt NEMA outlet for your flexible fast charger. Premium installation services are available in Qmerit's customer portal, which can be accessed on BMWUSA.com. Here, you'll find Qmerit offers 3 services for you to choose from. The standard service is set up through a self-service portal. Once you enter information about your vehicle and home configuration, the portal instantly emails you an upfront pricing estimate or information about how to receive a custom quote. The premium service offers a seamless installation experience with a more personal approach. A dedicated Qmerit concierge will guide you through each step, as well as provide an upfront pricing estimate. Simply fill out the short lead form with your contact information and a concierge agent will reach out to you. A service fee applies. There is also an option to upgrade or replace an existing charger. With this option, you have the potential to save money depending on the amount of rework and permitting that is required. Fill out the short lead form with your contact information and a concierge agent will reach out to you to work on a custom quote. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.